Jefferson County Court at Law Number 2 is back in session. Uh, Next case is cause numbers 329614, cause number 329616. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Teddy LeBlanc. Mr. LeBlanc, you can come forward and have a seat, stand on the X. Mr. LeBlanc, your full name is Teddy LeBlanc, Teddy Lee LeBlanc.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. LeBlanc?
All right.
That's good, Mr. LeBlanc. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Ryan Matuska, who is appearing via Zoom. Attorney Matuska, how are you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Matuska, what is your announcement in Mr. LeBlanc's cases?
Your Honor, I have offers in his case, and I also have the evidence, including the digital media. If Mr. LeBlanc could come see me and view that. And I was also waiting on the felony case. I don't know if that's been taken care of.
Okay, that's, I see a court date on the felony for June 20th of 2022.
Your Honor, could we move this case to that case or further?
To that same date?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. State, do you have any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. LeBlanc, your case is gonna be reset to June 20th of 2022. And because you have two cases, you're gonna come here, check in first, then go down to the felony court. Once you finish your felony, you're gonna come back here.
So come here first.
Yeah, you come in and check in and let us know that you're here. And then you go to the felony court, and when you finish in the felony court, come back here.
Yes, sir.
And then we'll handle it from there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but make sure now, if you don't reappear here, your bond may be forfeited. Okay. So Mr. LeBlanc, you're gonna get your reset here in court. You're gonna stand on the 4X. And once you get your reset, yeah, in front of our court coordinator, once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
And Mr. Matuska, your reset will be sent to you. You're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
You got a piece of
Well, the other one we have.
Mr. Williams, I see here that you have a case on June the 20th,
Yes, sir.
a felony case.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna reset this case with those two cases. Now, on that day, June the 20th, you need to come here first,
First.
check in, then go down the hall, take care of that matter, and then come back here. So I guess you've done that before.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay, just make sure you do it, because you know if you don't reappear here, your bond
Yeah.
could be forfeited.
Yeah, I got to come. Yeah, I make sure.
All right, stand on the 4X in front of our court coordinator, and your case is gonna be reset to June 20th.
All right.
And once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Thank you. Okay, court is in session and cause number 330464, case of style of state of Texas versus Kenneth Vaughn Banks. We have Mr. Banks appearing via Zoom. Mr. Banks,
Yes, sir.
how are you doing?
I'm okay.
That's right. Now, Mr. Banks, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Tom Burbank. Attorney Burbank, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement in Mr. Banks' case?
At this time, Your Honor, I'd ask for a short resetting. There is a DVD on a UBS of this capital theft that occurred at the Motel 8.
Okay,
And I need to look at that. But in addition to that, I know that Mr. Banks called yesterday sometime, but he needs to call and make an appointment to come on in so that we could discuss how we get him out of this case, and that the state would see my point and dismiss all the charges.
I do have one question, Your Honor, for Mr. Burbank. Did you get the state's offer? I think I emailed it to you maybe yesterday or the day before.
If it was yesterday, Tommy, I did not. I was out of pocket. I was in another proceeding. And I'm not saying it's out there probably somewhere. I'll probably get it sometime today.
I'm hoping that the offer that I made will address whatever concerns you. In other words, I made a generous offer in my opinion. So
All your offers are great, Mr. Prosecutor.
okay.
But Your Honor, if we could just give me maybe a week or maybe reset it 2 weeks. I don't want a long trial because this is a case that needs to go away fast, a resolution. But I do need Mr. Banks to come on in so I can give him what his options are and show him what they have against him and why we need to take care of this.
Okay,
Would you prefer 624 or 71?
7-1?
okay.
Did you say 7-1?
You say 624 or 71? Which one you would prefer?
How about 7-1? We'll do it just before the 4th of July, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yeah, 6/24 is my birthday, actually.
Oh, okay.
If I can get it done before, I will call in to take care of it before, maybe on his birthday, and give him a good birthday gift.
Okay.
That's awesome.
Okay. So Mr. Banks, your case is being reset to July 1st, 2022. And Mr. Burbank, your reset will be sent to you. Mr. Banks, stay in contact. Mr. Banks, stay in contact with your attorney. And this will conclude your case. You're free to go and you have a blessed day. And thanks for being patient with us. And Mr. Burbank, this will conclude your case as well. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Have a good day.
Okay, I'll give you a call, Mr. Burbank.
Thank you, Mr. Coleman, and have a great weekend, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You have a blessed day. Next case on the court's motion to revoke probation docket is cause number 315282, case of style of the state of Texas versus Juan Jesus Benavidez. Juan Benavidez was scheduled to be in court this morning on today's date of June 10th of 2022 at 9 a.m. for the court's motion to revoke probation docket. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Juan Benavidez at the courthouse door. Juan Benavidez did not answer. Juan Benavidez has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 10:36 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Juan Benavidez? Juan Benavidez. Juan Benavidez. Juan Benavidez's name was just called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Juan Benavidez did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Juan Benavidez an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
we do, Your Honor. State moves to bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Juan Benavidez' bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 315-282. The next case is cause number 322-350. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Eric Joseph Daigle. Eric Daigle was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's motion to revoke probation docket. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Eric Daigle, and Eric Daigle did not answer. Eric Daigle has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 10:37 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Eric Daigle? Eric Daigle. No response. Eric Daigle's name was just called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Eric Daigle did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Daigle an opportunity to appear in court. Mr. Daigle has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
We do, Your Honor. State moves the bond.
That motion will be granted. Eric Daigle's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 322350. And this will conclude the calling of the court's motion to revoke probation docket and the announcement docket. Both dockets are scheduled at 9 a.m. in County Court at Law number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, says Terrence Holmes presiding. Mr. Coleman, I think I have 2 non-disclosures. I think that's we have scheduled today. This is one, I don't know if you're gonna handle it or if Mr. Shearer.